My name is Jemima St. Pierre. I found Spectrum on Indeed. It was at the height of the crisis, and I really wanted to get out of long term care nursing. I was doing long term care nursing for about 2 years, and this was like the perfect time to get my foot in the door to experience ICU nursing, med surg nursing, and the hospitals they needed nurses. And I felt like this was the time, if I was ever scared to work at a hospital before, or if I ever doubted myself, this is the time they need me, and I have to try to give whatever I have to nursing now. It's my first hospital experience, and it was at really the height of COVID-19. So I
Right.
got so much experience, so many new skills from working at Maimonides. It's been such a great opportunity. I enjoyed the fact that I was given this chance to start working at a hospital. Um, I've tried working for hospitals before, but because I was a new nurse, they weren't really, they wanted me to get experience in long-term care nursing first. So this is my first time working at a hospital, and it's so new and it's so fresh. And in long-term care nursing, if somebody gets sick, we send them to the hospital. But when you're at the
Right.
hospital, you can't send them anywhere. You have to treat them. And so I've experienced all of that, and being more vigilant and being a better nurse, just knowing the signs and monitoring and knowing when things are going downhill and when you have to get the doctors in and all that stuff. So it really has enhanced my nursing skills. And that's really what I got from this opportunity working with Spectrum. One of the challenges really that I see is that we have to be fully gowned, like fully covered from head to toe. We have, shields, we have a head covering, we have masks. So we're fully covered head to toe. And it's sometimes I'm like thinking to myself that this may be really scary for them if everybody who's coming in the room is covered head to toe. And we as nurses, we're the ones who really spend the most amount of time with the patients. Us being covered and still trying to give that same level of comfort and compassion, covered and head to toe, has been really a big challenge. As a lot of people in the beginning did not take this very seriously, and still we're still having that problem where people who don't really see it are not taking it seriously, and they're still going out in crowds, or they're still going out having secret parties. And this is not the time. I mean, we've had years of partying, we've had years of just, being social and having parties and gatherings, but this is really not the time. And it's really a short time, just a couple more months of limiting the amount of people that you interact with. Because Spectrum has been so supportive of me. Any problem that I have, I know that I can call, I can contact someone. I don't feel alone. I don't feel like I'm just going to work every day. I feel like I have a support team and someone who I can call, and I have, you know, two people really, Logan and
Mm.
Melody, that I am in contact with, that I can call and ask them anything, and I feel supported, and that's very big to me. Wow,
Yeah.
it's been great. I have no complaints at all.